Good day, students. Welcome to Standard 7th English class. Today we are going to study English lesson number 1.5 Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. In this lesson, we are going to study about four different types of invitations. The first type of invitation is a formal invitation. Let us read the invitation. Page 16 of your textbook, Lesson 1.5 Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Everyone in New Bhajan High School was busy. The inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands was scheduled to take place next week. It was getting late for sending out invitations. At last, the principal herself prepared the formal invitation. The art teacher and her students made copies of it. Here is a sample of what they did. We solicit your presence at the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands, at the hands of Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Bhajan High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9th July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Bhajan High School off Main Street, Girgaon. Suhasini Ambekar, Principal, New Bhajan High School. V.S. Ajinkya, Teacher in Charge, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. Komal Shelar, Nitin Varke, Student Secretaries, Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. The important meanings of this part: inauguration is a ceremony to make a beginning of something. Schedule is to arrange or plan an event to take place at a particular time. Invitation is a written or spoken request to come somewhere or do something. Sample is a portion or part of something. Solicit is to ask for or to request. Former is someone who used to have a job, position, or role but no longer has it. Preside is to be in a position of authority in a meeting or other gathering, or to conduct or lead or guide, etc. Dean is the head of a university, faculty, or department, or of a medical school. Now we will move on to B, a written notice. Let us read the notice. Page 17 of your textbook. Also, a notice was put up on the school notice board to invite the students and parents to the inaugural function. Notice: students of Standard 7 and their parents are invited to the inauguration of the project Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands at the hands of Ms. Srimati Vimla Naik, former principal of New Bhajan High School and President Sahayak Samaj. Dr. A. M. Chaudhary, Dean, New Life Medical College and Hospital, has kindly agreed to preside over the function. Time 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Sunday 9 July 2017. Venue Assembly Hall, New Bhajan High School off Main Street, Girgaon. Now, both the above communications are formal communications. The formal communications are more structured. They are written in an official work situation. It always has a purposeful tone. These communications are for school principal, business partner, court judge, boss, etc. These types of communications are in polite tone. All the program details are included in the invitation. Time and venue are never to be neglected in these invitations. Now we move on to the telephonic oral conversation. Let us first read the oral invitation. Page 18 of your textbook. Teachers made phone calls to some special invitees. Here is a sample of one such telephonic conversation. Receptionist, hello, Girgaon Times? Teacher says, good morning, I am Vishwas Ajinkya from New Vision High School. Could I speak to your news editor, Mr. Sashank, please? Receptionist says, just a sec. Thank you. News editor says, hello, Mr. Ajinkya, Shashank speaking. How are you? Teacher replies, fine. How are you? News editor says, fine. Teacher says, Mr. Shashank, I have a request. I am calling from New Vision High School. Our school is starting a new social work project. The inauguration is on the coming Sunday. We are sending you the official invitations today. I see, the news editor replies. Teacher says, our idea is to make our students aware of their social responsibilities. It will be a big project and we hope it will set a trend for all schools to follow. We would like our paper to cover the function prominently. News editor replies, well, this Sunday is going to be a busy day, but as you say, the project is an important one. It should get good publicity. When did you say is the function? Teacher replies, this Sunday at 10 in the morning. News editor, fine, I have made a note of it. Teacher says, thank you very much, and the call disconnects. Important meanings of this part are social responsibility means that individual and companies have a duty to act in the best interest of their environment and society as a whole. Trend is change or develop in a general direction. Prominently is to a large extent. Publicity, notice or attention given to someone or something by the media. Now, these types of telephonic conversations are always formal. They always start with greetings like good morning, good day, etc. and always end with greetings like thank you, etc. These conversations have polite tone and are always for official work situation. Now we will move on to D, another oral invitation. This is an informal conversation, or we can also call it as casual talk. This casual talk is between a mother and her child. Let us first read the informal conversation. Page 19 of your textbook. Students pass on the message to their parents. Here's a sample. Mummy, you and Daddy are invited to our school on Sunday, the 9th, said Samir. What's the occasion? Our school is going to run a project called Seeing Eyes, Helping Hands. There's a function to inaugurate it on Sunday at 10 sharp. Students of 7th standard are invited with their parents. Where is it? In the school assembly hall. How long will it be? About an hour. Miss Naik will be there too. She is going to inaugurate it. I see. And what's the project about? Oh, we are all going to visit places and work for others turn by turn. They'll explain that on Sunday. So you are going to participate in it, aren't you? Yes, Mummy. Let's see. Daddy and I can't both go, but one of us will accompany you. That would be nice because Mr. Ajinkyo has specially asked all the students to tell their parents about it. Important meanings of this part are occasion, a particular event or time at which it takes place. Accompany is to go somewhere with someone as a companion. These types of informal or casual conversations always has a relaxed tone or friendly tone. These conversations are less structured, that is, with less rules. They are done in personal situations. These conversations can be done with relatives, friends, mother, father, or any other close one. To conclude, we can say that we can communicate better with lot more people if we learn about notices. invitations, and conversations. We can write notices and invitations for your school function or family functions with the help of your friends and teachers. Now, you will all do the given activities. First activity is prepare a formal invitation for a function you have arranged at home. It should state the following points: who is inviting people to the function, what the program is, the date and time, a polite request to attend the function, the venue, that is the place where the function will take place. And the second activity is write an imaginary telephonic conversation in which you invite your friend to the above function. You all will do these activities in your English notebook. Hope you all might have understood the lesson. We'll meet you back soon. Till then, thank you and have a wonderful day.